Good morning, Standard 5. How are you, children? I think all of you are fine. Stay inside your house and then maintain the cleanliness and hygiene, children. So, welcome to my class, children. I am Bulbul Singh Gupta, your maths teacher of Dr. D. Ram, DAV Public School. So, now, children, we will start with unit number 6, word problem. Right? So, now, Mr. Kumar purchased a sari for rupees 485.55 and a shirt for rupees 269.40 and a tie for rupees 65.25. Find the total money spent by Mr. Kumar. So here, children, you see that there are some punch line is there. So Mr. Kumar purchased for rupees 485.55. What? He spent 485.55 in purchasing what? He purchased sari. First punch line. Second one, a shirt for 269.40. So rupees 269.40 he spent for what? For which marketing? What does he purchase? So he purchased a shirt. While purchasing shirt, he spent 269.40 rupees. Now, and a tie for rupees 65.25. So, find the total money. So, you have to add the total amount he spent while he was purchasing sari, shirt and tie. So, total amount. Okay. Now, let us solve the question. So how you will solve it? First thing, that price of sari. What is the price of sari? Rupees 485 and 55 paise. That is rupees 485.55. Right? And price of shirt, that is equals rupees 269.40 and price of tie, it is rupees 65.25. Right? So this is a sari plus shirt plus tie. Right? These three things he spent. So what you have to do? Addition. Right? So you have to add these three amounts together. You have to do addition. So what is the total amount? Total amount is equal to, what you will do? Add it. Rupees 485.55 and then just write in a column, in a sequence, correct sequence, 269.40 and last 65.25. Now total means you have to do addition. Right? So let's start to do the addition. 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1. Firstly, one thing, while you are doing the addition, there is a decimal point is there. So one decimal, just follow one after another. So I will put decimal point here, and rest you have to forget about the decimal. You will do the same addition while whatever you have done the addition in the case of whole number. Right, children? So let us do addition. 5 plus 5 plus 0, 10. 1 carry over. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 2. 1 carry over. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 0. 2 carry over, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 6, 22, 2 carry over, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. So here total money he spent is 820 rupees and 20 paise, or you can say as in the form of decimals, it is 820.20. Now come to next question. The height of Ram is 1.75 meters. His brother Shyam is 0.5 meters taller than Ram. What is the height of Shyam? The height of Ram is 1.75 meters. His brother Shyam is 0.5 meters taller than Ram. So what is the height of Shyam? Right? Now let us do it with the help of 4 square method. Right? Now here in the first is keyword. So here the keywords are, some punchline is there. So what is the height of Ram? It is 1.75 meter. But his brother is 0.5 taller than Ram. So what is the height of Shyam? The keyword is taller than. It means plus, right? So now next is picture, planning. What you will do? What we will do? So here this is Ram. Right? And his brother Shyam. So here it is Ram and Shyam. So Ram is, what is the height of Ram? 1.75 meter. And the Shyam is 0.5 meter taller. It means plus 0.5 meter. Right? Shyam's height is 0.5 meter taller than Ram's height. It means Shyam's height is more than Ram's height. So how we will solve it? Simple. Add the height of Ram with taller than Ram by 0.5. It is meter. It is also meter. So here 5. So put 0 over here. Put the addition sign. Now add. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 2. 1 carry over. 1 plus 1 is 2. So decimal you have to follow one below the other. So put the decimal in the sum also. So the height of Shyam is 2.25 meter. So this is the answer. So you have to write down in the statement, children. I have mentioned that I have told you this is the planning. This is the planning of solving this problem. So whatever you have to do firstly, whatever any work you start, firstly we do the planning. What we will do, we make a schedule and planning is there. So right, now let us start to solve this problem.
Mamuni.
So now in this way you have to write it. The statement is height of Ram is what? It is 1.75 meters. And question is what is the height of Shyam is 0.5 meter taller than, means add with the height of Ram, right? So you have to add this 1.75 with 0.5. Just add it. 1.75, 0.5. Put over here 0. Do the addition. Now simply add. Firstly forget about the decimal. Just add as a whole number. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 5, 12. 2. 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. Now put the decimal. Just follow decimal one below the other in the column. So we put here in the addition sum also. This is the sum. In the sum also we will follow the same sequence. It is 2.25 meters. Now come to the next question. Next question is question number C. In question number C, a shopkeeper had 32.5 apples, 32.5 kilogram of apples, 25.25 kilogram of mangoes, right, and 9.75 kilogram of pears. So find the total weight. You have to find the total weight of fruits he had. So in the question it is written, that is mentioned a shopkeeper. This is a shopkeeper. A shopkeeper had 32.5 kilogram of apples, 25.25 kilogram of mangoes, 9.75 kilogram of pears. So find the total weight of the fruits, right? So firstly make the planning. First is keywords. What is the keyword here? Total. So total is the keyword, right? So what planning you will do? Say mango plus apple plus pears. So it is the meaning of total, plus adding. They are continuously adding. So how you will solve it? So we will add. We will firstly arrange this number 32.5 kilogram, 25.25 kilogram and 9.75 kilogram. Now we will do addition. Here with 5 put 0 so that none of the column will left vacant. Right, now we will do the addition. How we will do 5 plus 5? Just follow the simple rule that you have done in the whole number. So we will do the addition. 5 plus 5 10, 0, 1 carry over. 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 10 plus 5 15, 1 carry over. 9 plus 1 10 plus 5 15 plus 2 7, 17, 1 carry over. 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6. Now here all of you see there is a decimal point following one after another in the column, one below the other. So in sum also it will come just below this column. The sum will, in sum will put the decimal. So answer is 67.50 kilogram. Okay children. Now here in next question, come to the question number D. Question number D. So in question number D, the word problem is a milkman sold 26.55 liters of milk on the first day. On first day. This is the question. And 35.755 liters of milk on second day. And third day he sold 42.5 liters of milk on third day. Right, now question is find the total quantity of milk. Total quantity of milk. What you will do? Just add all these three quantities. Add 26.55 liter plus 35.755 liter plus 42.5 liter. So write down 26.55 liters, 35.755. Okay, here is the liter. And next is 42.5. Now put the addition sign. You have to do addition. Now here we see that in the column, in the first column, this place is vacant, put 0. Here is 5. This place is vacant, put 0. In the second column, 5, 5, puts here over 0. So now each and every column is completed. So Now here all of you see that. Now here, see, each and every column is correct, so you will do the addition. Right children? So here come to the next question, question number D. So in question number E, question number E is, I am just explaining, you will have to do it. Anjali spent, this is an ice cream. Okay, Anjali spent on ice cream rupees 25. Okay, and on chips she spent rupees 17.50. Right? And on pen she spent 12.50 rupees. So now question is, find the total money. Total money children. So what you have to do? You will just add rupees 25.00, add rupees 17.50, add, and with 12.50. You have to add all these three amounts. Then you will get the total money. So in this way children, you will have to solve this problem. So what is your C work and H work? Your C work is, you have to do question number A, B and C, and H work is you have to do D and E. So children, hope you have enjoyed my class. If you have any problem, you may contact to me through the WhatsApp during the meeting. So till then, goodbye, Shabba Khair.